Mid-Journey has dropped Niji 6 and it's fire. I have seen few illustrations being created from a lot of AI creators on Twitter and various other platforms, and so far it's a banger. It's awesome. Now, if you're not aware of what Niji is, it is one of the best model out there when it comes to enemy illustration generation. And this new model, which is a magical collaboration between Spellbrush and Midjourney, has thrown it out of the park. Whether you are looking for a cute chibi character or a dynamic action scene, Niji-Journey can bring your vision to life. So far, if you can only use in beta in the Discord channel, and I will show it to you very shortly. Few of the highlights of Niji 6 are that you can try longer, more difficult prompts. You can write simple text by putting it in quotations. And if you don't like enemy use, you can even go raw. Also, the full launch will be this month very soon. But that could change. But anyway, just go to Niji's website and I'll drop the link in video's description. From there, scroll down a bit and then you can just click on start now, and then you will be taken to their Discord channel. Just click here, accept the invite, and you will be present. You will be given access to their Discord channel where you can start generating images. All you need to do is to just slash imagine and then your prompt. So for example, I'm giving it a prompt: an attractive enemy character. Okay, so oh no, so it was available, but as I'm making this video, it has just gone, and they are saying that due to extreme demand, we can't provide a free trial right now. Okay, so we can subscribe, and then it will take bit of a time anyway. So that is bit of a cold water thrown on my hopes. But anyway, let me show you what people are doing. I'm just scrolling up in their channel, and beware, there might be some not that adult, but anything could happen. Just look at the quality of images, the random ones that people have been creating here, and these are just text prompts. Amazing stuff. The quality, the detail, simply amazing. Awesome stuff. Look at this one and this one. And I could spend whole day just scrolling through all of these creations of people which are simply of very high quality. It is just your imagination at loose. Now, if you go to Midjourney's Twitter handle, you will see that people are already creating a lot of good images. For example, this robot knight hyper detailing. It's a very simple prompt and the outcome is awesome. You can see that if I double click, this is amazing stuff, as you can see. And then if you scroll down, a lot of people are creating it. Very cool images. For example, this one, look at the attention to detail. And the enemy character is simply awesome. Look at the skulls in the head. And then the list goes on and on. There are a lot of things that you can do. I think you can also generate them in English, Japanese, Korean, Chinese, I guess. Amazing stuff. And this is an announcement made by Midjourney. Okay, so you've already requested the access. So as soon as I get the access, I will make another video and maybe we will be able to generate some enemies through the text. And another cool feature is that you can download the app from the Google Play or from the App Store, and then you can do it on your phone too if it is available. If not, then we will wait for the full version, which shouldn't be far away because we are already in February. So that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please like it and subscribe to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, please share the channel among your network. Thanks for watching.